This is the monthly chart on Coti. Now, Coti is a scalable and decentralized payment network that aims to facilitate global transactions. And as you can see, prices have just collapsed from a high of 90 cents to 5 cents. So that is what, 90% decline in a year and a half. So let's get into some price predictions. According to Crypto News Z, now Coti is currently ranked the 322nd token on the cryptocurrency market in terms of market cap. According to this, it reached the high of 68 cents in October of 2021. Prices are currently around that 5 cents level. Again, down by 92%. Based on the Coti price prediction 2023, the token is anticipated to reach 11 cents by the end of the year. 11 cents would put price at near all these wicks, which is equivalent to a lot of sell pressure. So essentially, can it double by the end of the year? I'm going to say no. Let's look into another prediction. The Coti crypto is expected to have a minimum and maximum price of around 12 cents and 17 cents by 2025. So 12 cents and 17 cents by 2025. I would say that's a bit more realistic. So we'll keep it here and we'll say 17 cents. But by 2025. So I would say this is more realistic, as we only have roughly 6.5 more months for price to double. And yes, anything can happen. Take for January this year, prices surged only to fall back down. And that was only because price was in this downtrend line. Now, I am sure if I put on RSI, we're going to see negative divergence. Okay, so what you can see here is that RSI made a higher high or a higher low, while prices are making a lower low. So again, price made a higher low on RSI. Price made a lower low. So again, RSI index made a higher low. Price made a lower low. That's negative divergence. We also see a doji candle for the current month of July. So that signifies an indecision candle. Let's go to the weekly chart. And I see weekly sellers. Now for the bulls out there, this level was not formed on high volume. So if and when price returns to this level, I don't think it's going to have a hard time getting through, but we have to respect it. Some would say this is also resistance support, so you're going to have resistance and support traders playing that level, making this weekly sellers level even stronger. So by the end of the year, can price get to 11 cents? It's very possible, but I'm saying no, it can't. However, a lot depends on what Bitcoin does the rest of the year. We definitely have hit a bottom. We're definitely in crypto spring, but we're probably going to base for another couple of months until we get into the fall. Stacking the odds against Crypto News Z with regards to price getting to 11 cents by the end of the year. Let's go down to the daily chart. All right, so I'm not in love with this zone. I don't like all the sideways price action. So again, this is a weak level, but it's supported by the support resistance level. I was just looking at that zone there, which worked out depending on where you drew your entry. Had a drop in price, one basic candle, and a huge drop. Price came back only to fall. Here was another level of some sort. Had a drop in price, a basic candle, and a huge drop on high volume. But the high volume came in this candle. So you would draw your zone there. We did get a reaction. However, the momentum is to the upside, at least short term, as price continues to respect the daily uptrend line. So if you're considering buying Coti, your reward to risk is limited based on this 7-cent zone. If you got in at the lows of 4 cents, 5 cents, you may want to take some off at 7 cents. If you got in during the bull market from a couple of years ago and you still have it in your portfolio, just hodl. Long term target would be 65 cents, but that's getting ahead of ourselves, as we need to get through the 7 cents level. We need to close above the 14-cent level, and we need to get to the support, which is now resistance at 17 cents. Potentially all of that can happen within the next 2 years. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.